Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to turn off end call with power button on iOS 16. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, go to Settings. Swipe up to go down. And find Accessibility. Tap on it. Under Physical and Motor, select Touch. Now swipe up to go down. And find Prevent Lock to End Calls. Simply tap the slider to enable it. That's it. From now on, your calls won't be ended when you press the power button. So in this way, you can turn off end call with power button on iOS 16. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.